Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
More hands-on with T-Mobile 5G home internet. The mobile carrier has been winning lots of fans for its mobile internet service. Connection speeds can top 240 megabits, but can vary depending upon service availability and router placement. Away from a window, we saw a drop to 110 megabits down and 21 on the upside. Still, for $60 a month or $40 for Go 5G Plus and Magenta Max customers, that could be a money-saving proposition. It has attracted enough interest that T-Mobile has altered service terms that will allow it to reduce connection speeds for heavy users. The bottom line is what T-Mobile is offering with 5G home internet may be all many households need. You can find out if the service is available where you live at T-Mobile.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.